The weekend's here. This isn't just any weekend, though. This is the weekend where Sonic and Tails go camping. 2 whole days without screechy voices or smart aleck remarks.
Shut up, we make smart aleck remarks. Oh,
Guys, are you all ready to go camping?
Whoa, I can't wait! Oh, I love nature.
But Knuckles, you were supposed to hang out with me. We weren't going to go camping. All of the 5 of us are going camping.
What about Hello Kitty?
Oh, she's allergic to some of the flowers in the forest. She's not exactly allergic. It's like that thing where you sneeze whenever pollen's around.
Your sinuses are acting up.
That too.
What about us? We want to go camping too.
These are my kids. So if you guys get hurt, I'm gonna get sued. What's stupid is I hardly have any rings left.
That's okay.
Alright guys, let's go.
I think I broke my nose.
After a long travel, we're finally here. You can come out now.
Oops. Alright, Tails is playing game of checkers.
Okay, where's the checkers board? Did you eat the checkers board again?
Well, so much for relaxing at home. Devin, if I get bit by another wasp, I'm gonna kill you.
Set this up.
Alright, it took us a while, but we got our tent set up, guys. What do you think of it?
It's green.
It's okay, I guess.
There's too many bugs and trees around.
I think there's a deadly black widow on me. Would you guys stop complaining?
Let's start camping.
We're already camping, Sonic.
Just look at this place. It's cool, great, and awesome.
I'm going to go adventuring.
I'm gonna try and learn stuff about the forest.
I'm gonna go punch things.
I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna do other stuff.
The cool thing I found this tree that looks a little bit like it got cut open. Alright, here's my chance to learn about stuff.
Whoa, I love exploring. Whoa! My leg! My leg! Here, I'll just punish this twig so I'm not disturbing any wildlife. Man, blow!
Oh no!
No!
Well, you know, this isn't so bad. The sunlight, camping tent, and all the peace and quiet of nature.
Oh, my face! Get them off me!
Ugh, gosh. Time to play some Hyrule Warriors.
Aw, yeah,
Time to play some Hyrule Warriors. What's my first mission? Sorry, Devin, we're camping. There's no electronics allowed. So,
What?
How's the camping trip going so far?
I got attacked by ants.
I got a stupid twig hit me in the face. Ugh. Ugh. It's freaking still pulling sticks out of my butt. Ugh.
I think my leg is sprained.
I can't get any peace and quiet. Oh, that I think I got poisoned by a black widow. Well, good, because I can't play video games.
Guys, you should cheer up because
It's almost time to roast marshmallows.
Marshmallows? Okay, my leg's feeling better. Marshmallows!
I got the fire started! Fire! Burn!
Got the marshmallows!
Well, Sonic, 10 roast marshmallows.
I'll open it!
Fire this early in the morning? Who the heck ate all the marshmallows? That means it was you.
okay, confess. Camping trip didn't turn as good as I thought it would.
Burnt food doesn't taste the same without marshmallows.
You're eating a napkin.
Fire's starting to burn. Need a stick.
Whispering.
Because I'm not supposed to be recording this early in the morning.
think I'm actually going to miss this place. Hi, Doggy. Doggy, I just want to say bye-bye.
Time to buy them a new one.
Hello.
Back, I'll turn the front. Alright.
Hi, Sprite. Bye-bye, beautiful forest. I'm going to miss you. All right, let's go back to science. Hi, Sonic.